Welcome back to my channel. Today, we dive deep into the speculations and leaks surrounding the Olympus OM5 Mark II and what it could bring to the table for creators across the globe. Anticipated price and release date, what we know so far. While no official announcement has been made, industry insiders and analysts have speculated that the Olympus OM5 Mark II will be priced slightly higher than its predecessor, making it more accessible to serious hobbyists and professionals alike. Estimates place the price range between $1,400 and $1,600 for the body-only model. This price point is competitive, positioning the camera as an attractive option within the mid-range mirrorless camera segment. As for the release date, it's expected that the Olympus OM5 Mark II will hit the market by mid-2025. However, global availability could vary due to production schedules and regional supply chain factors. Some markets may see the camera sooner than others, so it's crucial for buyers to stay up to date with official announcements to get the latest information on availability. Advanced video features, a hybrid shooter's dream. For those who switch between photography and videography, the Olympus OM5 Mark II is shaping up to be an exciting prospect. Reports suggest that this new camera will offer major video enhancements, including the ability to shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second. This feature promises ultra-smooth video quality, making it ideal for vloggers, filmmakers, and content creators looking to up their production value. Additionally, a 10-bit color depth will allow for more accurate color grading in post-production, providing more flexibility for editing and enhancing footage. Olympus has also reportedly improved its in-body image stabilization (IBIS), allowing for smoother handheld video capture and reduced motion blur. This is particularly beneficial for those who film without a tripod or stabilizer, ensuring that every shot remains steady and professional looking. The rumors also suggest that Olympus could introduce enhanced log profiles and superior heat management in the OM5 Mark II, which would allow for longer recording times without the risk of overheating, something videographers will undoubtedly appreciate, especially during extended shoots or in warmer conditions. Design refinements: compact, durable, and travel-ready. When it comes to the design, leaked images indicate that the OM5 Mark II will retain the retro-inspired aesthetic of its predecessor, a feature beloved by photographers who appreciate classic design mixed with modern capabilities. However, the new model may come with some refinements that make it slightly more compact, enhancing its portability, which is ideal for travel, street photography, or any on-the-go shooting. Olympus is also expected to improve the camera's durability, with rumors suggesting enhanced weather sealing to ensure that the OM5 Mark II can withstand extreme conditions. Whether shooting in rain, snow, or dusty environments, the new model may be equipped to handle it all, making it a reliable companion for adventure photographers and outdoor enthusiasts. Battery life and usability, extended sessions and enhanced comfort. Battery life has been a common complaint among photographers using previous Olympus models, but the OM5 Mark II is rumored to feature improved energy efficiency. This enhancement would extend battery life, allowing for longer shooting sessions without the need to constantly recharge or carry extra batteries. This is particularly appealing for those who frequently shoot in remote locations, where access to power sources may be limited. In terms of usability, the OM5 Mark II is expected to feature ergonomic adjustments, improving grip comfort and button placement. These enhancements will lead to a more intuitive and enjoyable user experience. Additionally, the camera may include a larger, higher-resolution electronic viewfinder (EVF), providing a clearer and more detailed view of the scene you're capturing. A fully articulating touchscreen could also make framing and reviewing shots easier, offering greater flexibility when shooting from high or low angles. Sensor and image quality, a significant leap forward. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the OM5 Mark II involves its image sensor. Speculation suggests that Olympus could introduce a 20-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor in this new model. This upgrade could significantly improve low-light performance and dynamic range, resulting in cleaner images with less noise, even in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, the camera may incorporate advanced computational photography features such as enhanced HDR processing and focus stacking. These improvements would be particularly beneficial for landscape and macro photographers who require maximum detail and clarity in their shots. The combination of a high-quality sensor and sophisticated image processing could make the OM5 Mark II an excellent choice for photographers who demand the best in image quality. Connectivity and smart features. A streamlined workflow. As connectivity becomes more important in the digital age, the OM5 Mark II is expected to support USB-C charging and data transfer. This would streamline workflows, making it easier to back up files or charge on the go. The camera may also feature built